My name's Chris Mifsud. I'm the maintenance manager here at Palm Trans. Palm Trans is a family-owned business operated by Darren and Julie Palmer, based here in Laverton, North Victoria. We have facilities in Laverton, Victoria, Eastern Creek, New South Wales, and in Heathwood, Queensland, and predominantly service the routes between those destinations. We carry all manner of general freight. We do a bit of dangerous goods. We also do a bit of produce, fruit, vegetables, as well as express parcel freight and time-sensitive goods. We originally contacted BTT Engineering in order to assist us with our requirements surrounding PBS vehicles. We wanted to move into that space, and we understood that BTT Engineering had a special skill set there, and upon speaking to some colleagues within the industry that had had a positive experience with them, we decided to engage their services. Yes, we did somewhat. We already had some equipment in service, and then it was decided that rather than build complete combinations, upon speaking with our equipment manufacturers, we found that we were able to just add to what we already had, and we then designed and built some specific A-trailers which were able to fulfil that task. The 27 metre B-double offered us the ability to use a conventional Kenworth. We had a couple of Kenworths on order, and what we were looking to do with them sort of changed along the way, and then we sort of to maximise those vehicles, we decided to go to 27 metre and yeah, pop them in that space and see how they went. Driver retention in this current climate is key, and to be able to offer a couple of guys, you know, the ability to utilise those conventional vehicles is definitely a positive for us. The B-triple was something we looked at to help service our customers between our facilities in Melbourne and Sydney. Obviously, you know, to increase our utilisation rates between the two depots, and the B-triple sort of fits that bill quite well. They assisted us with obviously the initial engineering, the design approvals, and also the vehicle approvals that we required to get the accreditations we needed for those B-triples, as well as some of the advice and bits and pieces that we required along the way to ensure that from a design perspective that we were definitely going to be on the right track. We currently run some high capacity 36 pallet combinations. We use standard 34 pallet combinations, obviously, and you know, obviously we still do some single trailer stuff as well. Oh, there's definitely gains to be had there. Obviously, the ability to be able to do more with less is something that, you know, all businesses strive for. Obviously, you know, greater utilisation and productivity of our prime mover fleet, more efficient and effective use of our current fleet. You know, it assists with, you know, staffing and bits and pieces as well. Obviously, you know, the industry is experiencing a skill shortage, and the ability to be able to do more with less is definitely a direction that needs to be headed in. I found my dealings with BTT to be very positive. They provided us with the information that they required. They were prompt. You know, when we had to sort of muster all the equipment together to do measure-ups for vehicle approvals and things like that, obviously within the business that can be a challenge sometimes. So, you know, obviously prompt service was yeah, a very positive experience.